This is Leo the truck. Hi, Leo. Leo has a red bed behind his cabin. Look how the bed can tip up and tip down. What's this? It's a mould for a fish and a mould for a starfish and a mould for a seahorse. Leo is taking the moulds to the sand pit. Look at this big mound of sand. Let's drop all the moulds here. Who's this? It's Scoop, the excavator. Hi, Scoop. Scoop has a big blue bucket which he uses to dig up sand. Scoop drives off to meet Leo at the sand pit. Let's look at the moulds again. The yellow seahorse, the blue starfish, and the pink fish. Now watch Scoop collecting sand in his blue bucket. First, Scoop puts some sand in the fish. Then the starfish. And finally, the seahorse. Well done, Scoop. Meet Lifty. Hi, Lifty. This is Lifty the Forklift. Lifty has a special platform for working. He loves to help us. And now Lifty drives off to the sand pit. Lifty will help us with turning the moulds. Now we need to tap the molds. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. So, what's inside? A fish, a starfish, and a seahorse. Good work, Lifty. Let's keep playing, Scoop. I think Scoop has found something in the sand. Yes, look. There is an old wheel buried here. Let's take it out and put it into the trash bin. Can you help us, Lifty? Lifty lifts out the wheel and takes it to the trash. Thanks, Lifty. Woohoo! Here's a garbage truck. It has orange forks to load trash bins. And look, in the back is a place to put all the trash. And now the garbage truck will take away the trash for processing. Good work, Leo, Lifty and Scoop.